Hi, and welcome to this episode of Patrice's Palette. Today I am going to be trying 3 different Indian snacks that I found at a local Asian market. Pretty excited to try them. It was kind of hard to find what I wanted to eat. The store was nice, but there was a lot of food that had expired back in 2011, back in 2012, and that was about everything that I had wanted to try originally. I was going to do like extreme dried fish and things like that, shark, anchovies, but I was already kind of on the fence about eating them, and then they expired years ago, and I figured they had sodas expired 3+ years ago, and so I figured I'd just stick with what doesn't expire until at least 2017, and yet, still have at least 2 of them, hopefully are relatively authentic, and will be fun to try. So I am not going to attempt to say the Indian words. I'm going to just go off of their American name, but I will post right here the actual spelling in case you know how to pronounce it. But the first one is kind of sesame seed candies. I'll break into this. Smells like a bag of peanuts. They're really hard. I wonder how to bite into them. Here we go. I don't know how to eat them. I'm gonna break my teeth. I got a little bit off. There we go. That's not bad. It's not like American candy, of course, but it is kind of like Cracker Jacks. Kind of has a little bit of a popcorny, really stale popcorn texture, and tastes just like it. So I was kind of expecting it to taste a lot different, and I'm glad that it tastes the way it does. So. Snack number 2. I just know that there's rice in this because it says rice, and it really does not look appetizing. Just kind of smells like rancid lard. Oh, that was not at all what I was expecting. There's a lot of spicy seasoning. It's not bad. I can't figure out what it reminds me of. I think it reminds me of some type of soup seasoning that is obviously not in cracker form. That was good. I'm gonna look up what exactly that is. Everything has simple ingredients. I mean, the first one has 4 ingredients. That one I think had 5 or 6 ingredients. So simple snacks. And then for this one I got plantain chips because I love banana chips. And I thought it was one of the few things that wasn't expired, and I figured I would expect to like this. Getting these, though, did make me really want plantains from like a Peruvian chicken place, so that's where I went for dinner after I picked these up. Plantain chip. No! Ugh. That was not good. It smells like fish food. It was like briny. That was really disappointing. I didn't expect them to be super sweet, but I didn't expect them to be briny. Like, you know, salty and like a, came out of the sea, fried in salt water with, and not like with oil, I don't know. That was really disappointing. But my first video I rated the foods. I'm just gonna say the other ones, you know, they're good, better than expected. Those get a 1 out of 5. That was disappointing. They looked the way I expected them to. Texturally, they were what I was expecting. Everything else, they might as well be cheap, disgusting potato chips. Ugh. Indigestion. Ew. Ew. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were at least semi-entertained. And if you know how to pronounce any of those words down below, please post a comment and maybe try and like spell it out phonetically so that I would know how to say it in the future. I just didn't even want to attempt that and be rude or, you know, just completely butcher it or get myself tongue-tied in front of the camera. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. That would be much appreciated. I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.